Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to download image from Canva. So this work, I've already designed it to my taste. So for me to download this image, you go to this share icon here, click on it, and once it opens you have different options here. Here is where you will download the image. This is where to copy link that is attached to this image. Then we have Instagram, YouTube, and every other thing here, but I'm only interested in download, so you click on download. So once you click on download, there are different options here. You click on file type. You have different options. If you want your picture to be in JPG, PNG, PDF standard, or PDF print, depending on your choice. But me, I prefer my pictures, my images to be in JPG, so I'll click on it. Then every other thing here is fine. The size and the quality, you don't need to change it, so you leave it as it is. Then this select page, it's showing me page 1 here because I have 2 pages on this Canva, as you can see here, page 1 and page 2, but I just want to print only the first page, which is page 1, so I will leave it at page 1. Then you click on download. As you can see, our image is downloading. Okay, so it has downloaded. So what I will do is to go to my file. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the image that we just downloaded. Let's open it. So this is the image we just downloaded, and I hope that you love the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can like, comment, and share my videos to your loved ones. Thank you. Bye.